Love it or hate it, India is one of those countries with a reputation. Even the most experienced travellers can feel a bit nervous about coming here, and we at Experienced Travel Group have noticed people will cite the same few reasons why. Many people can get put off coming to India because they're told you'll definitely get sick. This is a huge exaggeration, and while you should be careful, many people don't have any issues when they visit. If you drink bottled water and carry hand sanitizer and antibacterial wipes with you, your stomach should tick along as usual. And we know it's tempting to want to gorge on all the delicious food when you arrive and have a drink or two after landing, but we recommend you take it slow. Ease yourself into it. Just give your system time to adjust. If safety is a concern when you're planning your trip to India, keep in mind that in 2017 alone, India had over 10 million international visitors, and the majority of them didn't have any issues. Always consult the FCO before travelling, and we'd recommend visiting your GP at least 6 weeks before you leave, just to make sure your vaccinations are up to date. Remember too, with ETG, you've got a driver, guide, and 24-hour in-country support if ever you should need it. We get it. There's only so many temples you can visit in one day, but there is so much more to explore. Forts, markets, mountains, beaches, treks, countryside, rural villages, the list goes on. Just simply let your travel specialist know your temple threshold and they'll be able to curate a tour to suit it.